Hey everybody, and welcome back to the shop. Today I got another one for you, another one of these multi-bit kits, these multi-bit screwdriver kits. And this one is rather interesting because it's at Harbor Freight again, and it's the Pittsburgh brand. Now, if you remember, the first one of these I did was the Doyle, and the Doyle is kind of a top tier at Harbor Freight. Pittsburgh is, I don't want to say it's their lowest tier because Harbor Freight sells some stuff that doesn't even have a name. It's just called pliers and screwdriver, and they have like orange and black handles, and they're like $2 or $3 for 2 and 3 packs, and they are garbage. Don't buy those things. Buy at least Pittsburgh. The Pittsburgh brand is kind of their good brand when they do their good, better, best. So it's the homeowner entry-level set, but that's kind of what we're looking at here. And this is a pretty intriguing set. It's kind of like the Cobalt, which I already did a review on, as it comes in a case. And this case is considerably nicer than the Cobalts. I would have no problem putting this in the glove box of my car, the armrest of my truck, or even saddlebags of my motorcycle. And it's a very well-equipped kit. It has 26. It's a 26-piece set, so I think they're counting the actual case and the turner as 2 of those pieces. But we have in this thing, we actually have 6 nut drivers, 6 Torx bits, which is interesting, 5 slotted, which I think is kind of cool, 4 Phillips, which is awesome, and 3 of the posi drive. So another kit that's now doing the posi drive. So this thing is really well equipped. It doesn't have any of your Allen or hex keys, which I would have liked to have seen, honestly, instead of 5 slotted and 3 posi. Maybe the posi number 2 and 2 slotted and 3 or 4 Allens would have been a better mixture for the true homeowner. But this is a well-equipped kit for somebody who just wants to take this, put it in a drawer of their house, the kitchen junk drawer. We talk about it in every one of these videos. And then anything that rolls in your door from Amazon, Walmart, IKEA, wherever you grab stuff these days it needs assembly, because everything needs assembly, this is probably going to cover you for the most part. Like I said, I wish I had a couple of Allen keys, but it doesn't. Now, things to note, because this is the Pittsburgh brand. It's their entry homeowner, less price. This is only 13 bucks for this kit, so that's a pretty good price. This handle is rubbery plastic. It actually is the same type of handle as their free screwdriver has. This is the basic. I should include these. These are multi-bit tools. This is your basic 1, 2, flip them both over, 4-in-1 tool. Harbor Freight gives these away for free. A lot of times I have a sale where make any purchase and you get something for free. And this tool is part of it. And as far as these go, these 4-ended things, they're not bad. This handle I kind of do like. Is it as quality as some of these other tools like the Doyle? No. This is definitely entry level. You can feel the build quality is not up to snuff of some of the other tools we talked about. But it's at a price point with a lot of bits, and I like the bit. So the bits are actually 2.5 inches long, which I like. And you can put the, in like any other. And then it's just a matter of, it's a ratcheting screwdriver. So it is ratcheting. The bits, it is a magnet in there. They stick in and they're magnetized. And you have a bunch of them. Let me go over what you really have here. In the Torx, you have T 10, 15, 20, 25, 27, and 30. So you got Torx covered pretty heavily. Your nut drivers are actually in millimeters, which is kind of interesting. 5 millimeter up to 10 millimeter. Your posi drives are 1, 2, and 3. Slotted, there's just 5 of them from what looks like 3/8 of an inch down to a 1/8 of an inch. And then 0, 1, 2, and 3 for the Phillips. So you got a nice selection of bits in a kit that is sub $15. Who is this for? I'm going to be very honest with you. This is for the occasional user who is going to put it in the junk drawer or put it in the glove box or the armrest of your vehicle to use it only when you need it in the car, or for the occasional assembly of something that comes in the house that you have to put together. Will it last doing that? Yeah, it feels like, for occasional use, this will work. This is definitely lower build quality than any of the other tools I've reviewed so far, and I think any of the ones I'm going to do in the next couple of days. So that is something to watch out for. Lower build quality, but lower cost. Very occasional use, it will work for you. Really good selection of bits. I kind of like it for the price and the use case. So if you're a everyday or 2 or 3 times a week user, this might not be the tool for you. You know, this might break down on you over time. If you're at Harbor Freight, go with the Doyle. The Doyle's a much better brand, made much better quality. I would, or some of these other ones if you're going to other stores. But if you're very occasional, when something comes in the house you have to assemble, or you just want to put it in the glove box of the vehicle for the emergency, this thing will cover your bacon there. So I think it's definitely worthwhile because of that. And it's very inexpensive. Remember, at Harbor Freight, you always can get a deal where you can get it less than the $13.99 this thing sells for. So you could probably find this thing around 10 bucks with the right sale. That's all I got for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Tomorrow, we are going to do the Milwaukee. In Milwaukee, we all love the Milwaukee name. And Milwaukee has a kit of 2. A long ratcheting screwdriver and a stubby that is not ratcheting, but it's a kit of 2. I think you're really going to like this. You Milwaukee guys are going to love this one. We'll see you tomorrow with this one.